In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Tasks for project management. Imagine having a streamlined, efficient way of managing your projects, big or small, right within the Google ecosystem. Google Tasks is an often overlooked gem that does just that, allowing you to gather your thoughts, tasks, and deadlines in one easily accessible place. Today, I'll walk you through how to harness the power of Google Tasks to elevate your project management game. First, let's head over to Google. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Google homepage. Once there, it's time to access your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your email address. Make sure you're entering the address associated with the Google account you wish to use for managing your tasks. After inputting your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember, your password is the key to your personal data, so keep it secure and never share it with others. Once you have entered your email and password, look for the Next button to proceed. This action signs you into your Google account, granting you access to the myriad Google services available. Among these services is Gmail, which serves as our next point of interest. From the Google homepage or any Google service page, locate and click on the Gmail option to navigate to your inbox. As you find yourself in your Gmail inbox, direct your attention to the small waffle icon located near the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents the Google Apps menu, which houses shortcuts to various Google services. Clicking on it will reveal a list of available services. From this list, you will need to select Calendar to continue. In Google Calendar, your focus should be on creating a new entry which will house our task. To do this, look for and click the Create button. This action opens a new window, encouraging you to add event details. However, instead of adding an event, we'll be selecting Task as the type of entry we want to create. Tasks created in Google Calendar can be exceptionally useful for project management, as they can be associated with specific dates and times, helping you stay on top of your deadlines. After clicking on Task, you are now ready to add the details of your task. This can include the task name, description, due date, and any other pertinent details that will aid in your project management efforts. Take your time to fill out these details accurately. The more information you include, the easier it will be to understand and execute the task later on. Once you're satisfied with the information entered, it's time to save your task. Seek out the Save button, which commits your task to your calendar. Congratulations! You have successfully added a task using Google Tasks within the Google Calendar view. This method allows for an integrated approach to managing your tasks and projects, leveraging the power of Google's ecosystem. It's worth noting that Google Tasks can also be accessed directly from the Google Tasks app or within the sidebar of Gmail and Google Calendar, offering different interfaces to cater to your workflow preferences. Experiment with accessing and viewing your tasks in these different areas to find what works best for you. In conclusion, mastering Google Tasks for project management can significantly enhance your productivity and organization. By following the steps outlined today, you can create, manage, and track tasks with ease, all within the familiar confines of the Google ecosystem. Remember, the key to effective project management is consistency, so make it a habit to review and update your tasks regularly. With Google Tasks, you're well equipped to manage your projects with precision and confidence. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial empowers you to take control of your projects and tasks like never before.